you want to tell us about what's the project that you're working on?
The project that we are working on is basically a kids tracker. It's called a kids tracker,
Okay.
and we five of us are working on the project.
Okay, that's
And
great.
this project is basically like the kid and the parents both will have an Android phone,
Okay.
and the parents would set the location of the kids where the kids usually go, for example the school, as he will set the locations, that the latitude and the longitude, and when the kid reaches the destination,
Okay.
the particular destination, a message will be sent to the parents
Okay.
that your kid has reached
Okay.
the place, and so the parents will come to know that the kid is safe at his place, and if he deviates from that particular location, then also a message would go to the
Okay,
his
so
mobile
using SMSs you can
Yeah, using
control
SMSs.
where and know where the kid is going.
Yeah.
Okay.
Parents
Can you show us some of screens or application you've developed? Oh,
When
that's
he reached, take one.
okay. So that's in confirmation that a kid
Yeah,
has
kid has
reached.
reached. So whenever he deviates, then it will.
Okay. So you're developing this as a team. This is the part where you set up the address and where exactly to go, latitude, longitude. Okay. So this is probably the first version, right? And you're working on refining this. Okay. Great. Thanks. Let's see what the other team has to show in terms of the application that they're working on. So, okay, what's this application? What can you tell us about this? So introduce us to your team. Okay.
Myself Nikita Gupta, and this is my team.
Okay.
We all are
Hi.
Meenakshi, Manasmita and Chidamani.
Great.
Yeah,
Okay.
We all are working on an Android project, and
Okay.
application of an Android. This is basically based for a learning purpose for small kids.
Okay.
For initial stage, just
Alright.
initial stage. In this application, they will.
Oh, so this is a kids application,
Yeah, this
right?
is a
Okay.
kids application.
So something that the kids can use. Kids just love playing around with mobile phones.
Yeah.
So now they can probably put that to some
Yeah,
serious
they are
use.
more
Okay.
attractive
Okay.
plus playing with mobiles now. That's why whenever they will press A, it will toast the image,
Okay.
apple, and it is written here, the capital is small A
Okay.
with the letter apple, and voice will which
Oh,
will
so there is a
interact
sound
with-
as well.
Yeah,
Okay,
so
great.
they will interact as
Okay.
text to speech by using.
So is it limited to just A for
No,
apple,
no.
or what about the other things that you've
Yeah.
added on in this?
No, only up till now we have did like only with alphabets.
Okay.
After that we will.
So there's something about scaling it to other.
Yeah, we will make a group of
Okay.
fruits, vegetables, countries.
Oh, okay.
And,
So you're planning
animals.
big.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
All
that
right.
and all the name of the birds starting with alphabets A to Z, and
Great.
all the name of the fruit starting with A to Z, their pictures and their name with their sound in background.
Wonderful. So that's something that we can look forward to see on the Android market app, markets, right? Okay, great. So then there's the other team over here of boys who are working with something like a medical. It has a medical angle to it. So who would like to explain what exactly are you up to? Okay. So introduce me to your project, your team, and then.
So myself Himanshu Hazarika,
Okay.
he is Kulamani Burman,
Okay.
Diganta Pathak,
All right.
and he is Sham Gupta.
Hi, Shyam. Hi. Okay.
So the name of our application
Oh, that's
is
a nifty application. Shows that again.
it's Dr. Me.
Dr. Me. All right.
So by the name it signifies that by using this a person
Mhm.
can tackle all day-to-day normal disorders or diseases by using some home medicines or herbal technique.
Okay.
So this is our home screen.
Mhm. So is there a sound that's
Yeah, it will throw a voice.
Okay. Oh, so it's a voice application as
Yeah,
well.
it's
So
a voice application.
Okay. So people who can't read or write, they can
Yeah.
also use this
They
application.
can also use this application.
All right.
I'm again playing this.
Okay. Right.
Click to tell your symptoms to Dr. Me.
Okay. That's great. So your symptoms are told.
Yeah.
Do you have pain in teeth? Oh, that's great.
So
Okay.
suppose I'm saying no.
Okay.
it will ask the next symptom.
Okay, so it takes you through the symptoms and finally arrives
Yeah.
at the disease that you probably
Yeah.
be having. So one thing that's very useful for probably people in the rural area. They would want to stick to their medicines. Their okay. So you're using a database of commonly available medicines or
Yeah,
remedies,
for-
practices.
for herbal medicines.
Okay, great. Okay, so that's an exciting project.
So
All
suppose
right.
you have accepted the symptom,
Okay.
it will
Excellent. Okay, so I mean, to the entire team at large, how has been your experience in Bangalore? I mean, during this entire training. I mean, you all joined here at that time. You already had an idea about Android or mobile programming or in programming in general. So, how has been the ramp up in the last 10 days or 12 days, whatever you've gone through? So, anyone would like to speak about it? You have been quiet.
It's
Okay.
really good and exciting also.
Okay.
And we've
So how's it been like living in the jungle of wires all through the 10 or 12 days and
first time we're doing, so it's really exciting.
Okay.
We got to learn many things.
Okay.
And it's a very new thing we got to learn.
All right.
All of us, I guess.
Okay.
So it's a very great experience.
great. Okay. All right. Okay. So all the best. Thank you. Great.